Good day guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, we will be installing all the things that we need to be able to run this script. Remember that our aim is to be able to extract an email from any email sent to us using Meloso. So what we are going to need, I will let us know. So in no particular order, I think I'll just want to install everything at once so I can make the video as fast as possible. I will just put it on a straight line. But remember something, that we are using a virtual environment, so which means everything that we are installing will be what we are installing and what we are doing is in a virtual environment. It is not affecting the core of our system. So I would install this. I'll say pip install. We need, of course, Playwright. So the type of Playwright we need will be PyTest Playwright. And apart from that, we are going to need BS4. That is Beautiful Soup. So why do we need Beautiful Soup? The reason we need, let's start with Melosolve first, since that's the main thing that we need here, Melosolve. Then we need Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup is used for web scraping, right? It is a tool used for web scraping. So why do we need web scraping here? Because we need web scraping because that is the way Python handles anything HTML or web related pages. If it's an HTML page, it uses Beautiful Soup. It uses a web scraping approach to get values inside it. Okay, so with that being said, I'll just hit the enter button and I expect that it would install all of this for us. Okay, it's installing right away. Okay, let's give it time. Yes, and all is done. So now we have all the three things that we need. Now, but what if someone wants to take our code? Because if at some point some of you want the source code and I put it on the internet, on GitHub or probably GitLab or whichever repository I decide to put it in, but you guys actually want to use this, you want to run it immediately, but you have a different system and a different version. How do you run what I've already done at once? That is where I would create a requirement.txt file, a requirement.txt file. And this is just an equivalent of the package.json you have in your JavaScript. So you can install it from there. So all I just need to do is everything I've installed, I'll do a pip freeze, and I'm going to copy that with that command into a file that I'm about to create, requirements.txt with a text extension. So if I hit enter, it means everything here everything I've installed has been created, has been copied into that file. So as you can see, this is the virtual environment and this is that file. And I expect that once it has indexed with PyCharm will want to also install this into the interpreter being worked or being used right now. As you can see, it's asking to install all these requirements. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that and it should install everything. So while that is being installed, I guess we've already come to the end of this video, and in the next video we shall be introducing the page object modeling style in Python, and we'll be putting into consideration while creating this page object modeling style the usage of PyTest. But before we start it, I will just run one more command so that we can have all our browsers downloaded. Let me just quickly run that. No, I'll run it in the next video because we've got to the end here and I want to make it as short as possible. So if you found this video very helpful, please do not forget to like and to also add comments so as to encourage me. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.